Oh wow, this is just amazing. But can this replace a real massage therapist? Let's find out in this video review from the Geek Tech Show. So I just bought the Synergy Stone, that's actually what it is called, and I got this thing here. You can see it says thank you note, and also the user guide that is included as well, plus other cool things, and it says thank you too. And one of those is the following. It shows you different kind of things that you can get, how to use this kind of, and yeah, this is really cool. By the way, this is tempting, very tempting. This actually even looks even better than what I have right now. So what is oops, so what does this come with? And here's the user guide. So pretty much the biggest one is this one, the heat wave. It is huge. We have this specific one. I had this one before. I wasn't too happy with it. It was just way too big and too weird. This one is just humongous. Now the ones I like the most is this one right here and that one. So this is pretty much the user guide, how to use it. You can put this in a microwave. You can actually heat it up too. It's a massage stone. And you can use it to massage as well. And it comes in this neat looking pouch that comes from Synergy Stone. Really cool pouch. I really like it. I do like that they actually put really good money into getting their own kind of stone here. You can see it says even the logo Synergy Stone right on this. It is really soft and really nice material. Now that being said, you might not get one that looks like this nice with the black one. You're going to get probably a gray one with the black one. So if you get the colorful one, you probably will get something like this. Now the stone itself looks like this, and this one is the original version of this stone. Why is the original the best one? It is really not the best one. It is just has a few features that the other ones don't. What is the difference? Kind of the new one has this material all over the entire thing. The original one has two tone materials. The shiny one and this one is like glassy or whatever you call it. In fact, I think I prefer the new one because it has this material, which is a rock, which is kind of a mineral. It is a mineral, and it goes right through the whole entire material. Now, if you're gonna get this one, why would you get this specific version? The grip. It has a very good grip with this one. The original one has the grip. The other one, or the new ones, don't have the grip. This is very slippery. If you put massage oil, this is gonna hold it much better and give it more traction. Now the weird thing about this specific model versus the other ones is that it actually looks like a tooth here. So I really, as much as I look at this, it always reminds me of a tooth. Regardless of how you look at this thing, it just looks like a tooth. And if you don't like teeth, or don't want to get reminded of the dentist all the time, this is definitely not the one for you to get. So this model, don't get this if you hate the dentist. That being said, maybe just the black one reminds you more of the dentist. I think the other colors are just not going to be this bad. Now, to do a massage, you have a few tools here. Two right here, 3 right there, and all the way to 4 right here. So this gives you a lot of features that a massage therapist can actually use. In fact, this is designed for a massage. So you can do it like this. You can go around. You can press for the pressure points too. And this is like using 2 knuckles or 2 fingers, but instead you're using this. So it's going to save your hands, because if you're a massage therapist or you've been doing this for a while, you probably know way better what happens if you do massage for a few hours. Your hands are going to just hurt really bad. And with this, you have your hand and the massage tool. So this is going to be using, and plus you're not going to be touching the guy or the girl who you're massaging with, which is actually a plus, because you're going to be touching a lot of people if you're a massage therapist. So if you're a really professional massage therapist, this is definitely the tool for you to get. And if you're an amateur or somebody who just wants to do this just for fun, it is still the tool for you to get, because this feels really good. You can massage yourself. And for the $65, think about it this way. This sounds like an expensive thing. $65 is a lot of money. But it costs you about over $65 to get a massage. Maybe $40 sometimes, but most of the time, this is going to save you a bunch of money. You can massage yourself, you can get your partner to massage you, and you don't have to pay this huge markup cost for getting a massage. That being said, the only thing you really have to worry about is getting the right call, and two, understand, this is a piece of rock. It is fragile. It's built well, but if this thing falls on the ground, it's gonna break. So just don't break it. Now, four-sided, this is not for your hand, by the way. The four-sided really not designed for that. It is just too big. Three-sided, this is kind of for your hand, but I really think the two-sided is probably the better one. You can work on the knots. And how do you do it? Lots of different ways. Up and down motion. You can do circular motion. You can do pressing. So pretty much those are the three main ways for you to do the massage. And then it comes with different kind of which tools you want to use. 2, 3, 4. And you can press on it. So pressing on the knots, you can see you press on the knots, and you're going to be loosening it up. Now, the key to doing a good massage with this is to figure out how much pressure you want to use. So definitely try it on your hand first to figure this out. Then you can use it on your client. When you use this on your client, don't ever do it more than they ask. Listen for the feedback. They will tell you if it is too painful. You can ask. Some clients don't say it. They don't say, oh, the person is not going to tell you, is this too painful? You have to ask, is this too painful? If they tell you yes, then you loosen up. Don't do as much pressure. Less pressure. Because remember, the whole point of giving a massage is for them to feel better and enjoy. It has nothing to do about you. This piece is really amazing. It is beautiful looking marksmanship, and I do think that if you want to invest in something that's going to give you an amazing massage and yet not cross an arm and a leg, this is probably it. Why is this probably the best one? The rock itself, the energy from the rock is going to transfer to you. This is the black version. Every different kind is made out of different stone. Different stone have different energy to them, which actually means that the energy from the rock transforms from your hand to the rock itself, or the bad stuff is going to come out and it's going to move into the rock. This is why it is all dark and cold. Got all the spirits out of you. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy this show, and if you did, I want to see you as a member, as a subscriber. So make sure to join and see you in the next video of the Geek Tech Show, where you never know what is the next thing that's going to be appearing next.